Welcome to another video by Abron. This is very special instrument, very hot air oven with a fan. There is a one fan switch. You switch it on, fan is on. You can control the heating from here. Switch it off and on. There is one switch here, rotary switch 1, 2 and 3. Slow heating, medium heating, fastest heating. You should use only at 1 or 2 if you are not very particular about very fast heating required. Inside size is 24 by 24 by 24 inches. I tell you, this is very easy. I tell you the first this power main. This tells you the main power is coming. This tells you heating is going on. This tells you fan is running or not. This one also tells you heating is going on. You can set the temperature by pressing it. Set temperature. You can increase it. I can make it 100 degree and then enter it. Because 32.6 is inside temperature and what is my desire is 100 degree. 0.1 accuracies. Generally ovens are not designed for 0.1 accuracy, but since this particular buyer asked us to give the 100 degree point up to 0.1, because it is 1 degree or 2 degree plus minus will always be there. The door is lockable. There is a lock. You can put a lock here so that nobody can open it. I show you the inside is these are the 3 trays. You can change it any place. These are the heaters inside the grooves, and then you can shift this from any place. Here I can shift it to another place. If there is a requirement of smaller requirement, I can put it inside. Inside this one is a fan. This one I can switch on. You can see here the voice. Very little voice is there. You can see the heater is there. You can see the fan is visible here. You see this, and then heating. It will maintain the temperature by due to the fan faster. Very easy. Please visit our website. And these are abron01@gmail.com, and this is our www.abronexports.com. Subscribe to our channel and send us your comments and user. We have the aluminium also, stainless steel, full outside stainless steel, industrial, water baths, digital incubators. All these instruments are with us. Thank you very much.